Do you know how the weft of your hair bundles are made? That's a big question, because I know many of us just get our bundles and we sew it into our hair, or we make it into wigs, thereby not knowing the process the hair went through to give it that beautiful look. So in this video, I'll be showing you behind the scenes process through which you achieve that your beautiful hair bundles you flaunt about. I have a bone straight bundle, I have deep wave bundle, I have this kind of bundle. But behind the scenes of how the wefts are made, I'll be showing in this video. Hi beautiful family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lalare, where we bring you the updates on what? Wigs and hairs. So if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You're welcome on board. You're welcome to the family, the beautiful Lalare Line family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always loving this family, always showing up for us every time. We love you all the time. So let's get straight to the topic, which is how the weft of our hair bundles are made. This is how the hair is, as you're seeing in this video, before it is turned into a weft. This is how the raw form is. Like, after it's been treated and processed, that's how it's looking. But to make it come out nice, as the hair bundles we use all the time, it has to go through the process of making it into a weft. So you'll be seeing the process, the sewing machine process, whereby they are making it into a weft, making the weft, the hair into a weft, and also making it into a bundle. So before we get that bundle, we see the beautiful bundle, we see the sewing machine process is all that goes before you achieve that look. So enjoy this video and don't forget to like and comment on that post. Thank you. So I believe after you've watched this video, you've been able to learn something new. Like, this is how the process of my hair bundles go before I get them. Well, I just install them to my hair. I didn't even know they went through all this process. So I'm here to always give you update. Like I said, anytime, any day, we're always here for you. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also leave a comment on this post and like this post. We love you all the time. See you in our next video. Bye.